Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today, we are stepping into the future of passenger transport with the refreshed 2026 Hyundai Staria. Nearly 5 years after its groundbreaking debut, the Staria receives a significant mid-cycle update that refines its spaceship, aesthetic and bolsters its technological edge. The exterior retains its iconic streamlined silhouette. But look closer and you'll see the new, uninterrupted, full-width LED horizon lamp and a more intricate grille pattern, especially on the high-end lounge trim, which now features elegant chrome accents. However, the most dramatic transformations are found inside the cabin. Hyundai has answered the call for more tech by upgrading the dual displays to a massive 12.3-inch panoramic setup. Integrating the latest CCNC infotainment system with over-the-air update capabilities, the dashboard layout has been cleaned up with a new steering wheel shared with the Ioniq 5 and more intuitive physical controls for the climate system, ensuring that form and function coexist perfectly. For the 2026 model, ride quality reaches a new level of refinement thanks to a revised suspension with new subframe bushings. While the premium lounge variant benefits from hydro bushings that significantly reduce road vibrations and cabin noise, making it one of the quietest MPVs in its class under the hood. The 2026 Staria continues to offer versatility for every market, but the spotlight is firmly on the 1.6-liter turbo hybrid powertrain, delivering a combined 245 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency. This hybrid system is the perfect solution for families and businesses looking to lower their carbon footprint without sacrificing the range needed for long-distance hauls. For those requiring raw torque for heavy loads, the proven 2.2-liter CRDI diesel and the smooth 3.5-liter V6 remain available, often paired with HTRAC all-wheel drive for ultimate stability. Practicality is still the Staria's trump card. Whether you opt for the ultra-luxurious 7-seater lounge with its premium relaxation captain chairs, the versatile 9 or 11-seat configurations, or even the load panel van version, the interior space remains cavernous and highly configurable. With advanced safety features like digital key 2 and an expanded SmartSense ADA suite, the 2026 Hyundai Staria isn't just a people mover. It is a mobile lounge designed for the next generation of travel. It remains a bold, futurist statement that proves the minivan segment is more alive than ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi for our full fuel economy challenge with the new hybrid.